everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Lelit Mara X here. So this machine came in because the flow control was installed wrong, so I reinstalled the flow control, and then the machine needed a tune-up. And after the tune-up, during the tune-up, I also found some issues with the control board, so I replaced that and finished the tune-up, replaced here this group head gasket, descaled the machine, deep cleaned the steam wand with milk cleaner, and backflushed the group head. So now I'm just going to test the machine to show you that everything is working. First I'll show you here the flow control. You can just see this like that. Alright. So we'll do a shot. This is just our test coffee, so it's not going to pull a perfect shot, but it's just to show you that everything's working. I got a little fast, so it looks like maybe the coffee was ground a little too coarse, or maybe I needed to put a little more in the portafilter, but here you can see there's crema on top, and we've got our steam, nice strong steam, and our hot water. Alright, that's about it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.